There's a moment in every man's life where he looks around and realizes something painful: no one believes in him. No one claps. No one notices. No one cares how hard he's trying. No one sees how much he's fighting just to hold himself together. The world doesn't cheer for you when you're losing. People don't support you when you're building. They only show up after you win. And that's the part no one tells you: before the respect, before the applause, before the success everyone sees, there is silence. And silence is heavy. It's cold. It fills your chest like concrete. It makes you want to quit because it feels like you're working for nothing. But listen carefully. When no one believes in you, that's when you discover who you really are. Because belief means nothing when it comes from others. The belief that changes your life is the belief you build inside yourself. This is not a speech about motivation. This is a message for the ones in the dark right now, the ones fighting alone, the ones rebuilding without validation, suffering in silence, working without applause, bleeding with no audience. And if that's you right now, good. Because legends are built in silence. And when the world finally sees you, it won't make sense how you survived what should have broken you. There comes a point in life when everything around you starts collapsing. Not slowly, but all at once. The people you thought would stay forever begin to disappear without warning. Friends who once said, "I'm always here for you," suddenly become ghosts. Family members stop checking in. And the ones who promised support quietly watch you struggle from a distance, pretending they don't see your pain. You look around and realize something heartbreaking. You're alone. You're standing in the middle of your life like a battlefield after the smoke clears. Broken pieces everywhere, and not a single hand reaching to help you rebuild. At first, you try to understand it. You think, what did I do wrong? Why did they leave? Why am I the only one still fighting? But the truth is painful and simple. People leave when your life becomes heavy. They love the light version of you. The smiling one, the stable one, the one who didn't need help. But the moment you start drowning, most won't jump in after you. They just stand there, watching you sink, hoping they don't get wet. And that moment hurts more than anything. Because the silence is louder than betrayal. The distance is colder than rejection. And the emptiness feels like it might swallow you whole. You start questioning everything. You sit in your room at 3 a.m. staring at the ceiling, heart racing, wondering if you're strong enough to survive what's happening. You fight back tears because you don't want to admit how much it breaks you. You wake up every morning carrying pain no one knows about. Pain no one would believe even if you tried to explain it. But listen to me. That moment you're standing alone, confused, abandoned, exhausted. That is not the end. That is the beginning. Because when life forces you to stand alone, it's not punishment, it's preparation. Life strips away everyone not meant for the next chapter. It removes the noise, the distractions, the fake support. It makes sure that when you rise again, you rise from your own strength, not someone else's hands. You don't learn who you are when people clap for you. You learn who you are when there's no applause at all, and you still keep moving. You don't discover power when the world believes in you. You discover power when you believe in yourself, even when no one else does. So if you're alone right now, if you feel forgotten, if you feel like no one sees how hard you're trying, good. Because nobody sees a seed when it's buried underground, but that's exactly where growth begins. And soon, the same people who walked away will come back with the words, "I always believed in you." And you will smile knowing the truth. You built yourself without them. Nobody ever understands the battles you fight when the lights are off. People only see the surface, the smile you force, the casual, "I'm fine," the calm face you wear like armor. But they don't see the war behind your eyes. They don't see you waking up every morning with a heaviness in your chest, trying to convince yourself that today will be different. They don't see the nights when you stare at your phone, hoping someone will text, hoping someone will say, "Are you okay?" And nothing ever comes. They don't see the silent breakdowns in the shower, where the water hides your tears. They don't see the moments when your hands shake, because you're so tired of being strong. They don't see the way your heart sinks when you watch others succeed effortlessly, while you're still trying to pick up pieces of yourself. Because silent battles never get applause. There's no audience, no recognition, no sympathy, just you, fighting yourself, your doubts, your fears, your past. And the hardest battle anyone ever fights is the one inside their own mind. When the world stops believing in you, the voice in your head becomes your greatest enemy or your only ally. It whispers, "You'll never make it. You're not good enough. Everyone was right to leave." And you start believing those lies because they sound like the truth. You sit alone in your room thinking, maybe I should just give up. Maybe I'm not meant for greatness. Maybe this pain is permanent. But here's something the world doesn't see. Something you might not even realize yet. Every single time you wake up and try again, every time you decide not to quit, every time you choose to push through the pain, you win another silent battle. And those victories, invisible to the world, are what transform ordinary men into legends. The world doesn't clap when you choose discipline. The world doesn't celebrate when you decide to keep going instead of breaking. The world doesn't cheer when you build in silence. But that's exactly what makes it powerful. Because when nobody is watching, when nobody believes in you, when nobody cares, that's when you are becoming the strongest version of yourself. Pressure creates diamonds in darkness, not under sunlight. Seeds grow underground, not on display. Warriors are built in silence, not in front of crowds. So if you're fighting battles right now that nobody knows about, don't feel weak. Feel dangerous. Because you're sharpening yourself where no one can see. And one day, the world will look at you and say, "Where did he come from?" But they'll never understand that the strongest version of you was created when you were invisible. There comes a moment in every silent warrior's life when something changes. Not in the world around him, but inside him. It's not loud. It's not dramatic. There's no lightning strike or background music. It's quiet, almost unnoticeable. It's the moment you look in the mirror and realize no one is coming to save you. No one is going to fight your battles. No one is going to build your life for you. And for the first time, instead of breaking, you accept it. That's the turning point. The second pain stops being something that crushes you and becomes something that builds you. You stop asking, "Why is this happening to me?" and start asking, "What is this trying to make me become?" You stop waiting for someone to apologize, someone to return, someone to understand you, someone to rescue you. And you finally decide, "I'll rescue myself." Pain becomes power the moment you stop running from it and start using it. You take the betrayal and turn it into hunger. You take loneliness and turn it into focus. You take the rejection and turn it into discipline. You take the doubt and turn it into fuel. That's the moment the world loses its power over you. Because nobody can control a man who has nothing left to lose. You stop caring about opinions. You stop needing validation. You stop begging for support. You become dangerous, not because you want to hurt anyone, but because you finally realize you can survive alone. You start saying, "I don't need applause to keep going. I don't need permission to grow. I don't need someone to believe in me. I believe in me." And that shift changes everything. Suddenly, you wake up with fire in your chest again. You train harder, you work longer, you become disciplined, you stop wasting time, you stop chasing temporary pleasure, You stop being controlled by emotions. You start building something real. Quietly, people look at you and say, "You've changed." They're right, but they don't understand how. Because they didn't see the nights you fought alone. They didn't see the tears you swallowed instead of screaming. They didn't see the battles you won with no witnesses. They only see the results, not the war that created them. And deep inside, you know, this pain was the best thing that ever happened to you. Because without it, you never would have been forced to grow. That is the turning point. The moment the world thinks they broke you, but you were actually being rebuilt. The moment pain stops being your enemy and becomes your engine. The moment weakness burns and strength is born. This is the part nobody talks about. The part after the breakdown, after the loneliness, after the silent war inside your own mind. The part where you begin to rise. Not suddenly, not all at once, but brick by brick, habit by habit, day by day, step by painful step. You wake up one morning and something is different. You don't feel destroyed anymore. You feel hungry. You're not the same person who once needed motivation just to get out of bed. Now you walk into the day like a warrior entering battle. You stop scrolling. You stop escaping. You stop distracting yourself from reality. You start doing the work that nobody claps for. The workouts when nobody sees you. The late nights building in silence. The early mornings when the world is sleeping. The sacrifices that break most people. You become obsessed. Not with impressing others, but with becoming unrecognizable to the person you used to be. You look at the old version of yourself. The weak one, the emotional one, the distracted one, the one who cared too much about people who didn't care at all. And you say, "Never again." Something changes in your eyes. A fire they've never seen before. A calm, dangerous confidence. A silence that speaks louder than words ever could. And people start to notice. Not because you told them you were working. Not because you posted your progress. But because your results start walking into the room before you do. Your back is straighter. Your voice is calmer. Your decisions are sharper. Your priorities are different. You don't chase anybody anymore. You outgrow them. You don't explain yourself anymore. You just improve. You don't beg for support. You become your own support. People who once doubted you start asking questions. People who once ignored you start paying attention. People who once left you suddenly want to return. But they don't recognize you anymore, because you're not the same man they walked away from. You became someone forged in pain, hardened in silence, and sharpened through discipline. You're not driven by validation. You're driven by purpose. You're not fueled by anger anymore. You're fueled by focus. You're not controlled by feelings. You're controlled by vision. And the world begins to feel it. The rise has begun. You're no longer trying not to lose. You're preparing to win. No longer hoping for a miracle. You're becoming one. The man everyone once overlooked is becoming the one they'll never forget. Because the strongest version of you was born from the weakest version of you. And now, you are becoming someone no one recognizes. Someone unstoppable. There always comes a day you'll never forget. The same people who laughed. The same people who ignored your messages. The same people who said you'd never make it. They suddenly appear again, acting like they always believed in you. But they don't understand something. You didn't succeed to prove them wrong. You succeeded because you finally learned to stop waiting for people who were never coming. While they were busy doubting you, you were busy building. While they were talking, you were working. While they were sleeping, you were fighting battles with yourself that nobody knew about. And now, they see the results, but they'll never understand the cost. They see the transformation, but they'll never feel the pain it took to become him. They see a version of you they can't control, can't manipulate, and can't break anymore, Because the man standing here today is not the man they left behind. That man died in the silence. This one was born from the ashes. So when they come back, don't open the door out of sympathy. Don't shrink yourself to fit back into their world. Let them feel the weight of losing access to someone who rebuilt himself from nothing. Because now, you're not angry. You're not hurt. You're not seeking revenge. You're simply too far ahead. And the truth is, they didn't lose you when they walked away. They lost you the moment you realized you never needed them in the first place. You built in silence. Now your success will make the noise. And nothing is louder than a man who refused to give up.